What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are installing the Keys strut brace. Look at this thing, it's super nice. Went with the matte carbon fiber. I think it's gonna look really good in the G87. So we're putting this into the M2, obviously. This is the factory setup. Nothing wrong with it. Actually looks really good in this car. If I wasn't gonna do the Keys, I'd go with like the original CSL strut brace. But I thought this would be a nice touch. And I do plan on doing more carbon in here. So felt like that would be a good addition to the car. Huge shout out to the guys over at Keys for sending this out. It looks beautiful, man. The craftsmanship is incredible. And like always, you guys, I'll have this link down below. This also fits G80s and G82s. So any G8X car, you can pick up this strut brace. It also comes in gloss carbon fiber as well as the matte. I think the matte carbon fiber is a good addition to the car because I'm actually going to keep the exterior gloss. I'm not going to do the satin, so I thought this would be a nice little switch up. So outside of that, pretty easy install. Let's get into the process and I'll give you guys all the torque specs and everything. All right guys, so we just finished up the Keys carbon fiber strut brace. Looks really good, super easy install. You guys can knock this out at home in less than half an hour or so. Yeah, it looks really nice. The fit and finish is literally perfect. All of the OEM pieces fit right back over the end pieces of the strut brace. All of the torque specs and everything should have been in the video, so if you're interested in all that, I'll have it linked in there. It also comes with wrenches for the end pieces. For this part, for all of these nuts right here, you just want to secure them snug. But overall, everything looks really good. I think the matte finish was the way to go with this car. You know, I have some other things that are coming that'll sort of make sense with why we went matte on this, but yeah, I couldn't be more happy with it. Fits perfectly, looks good, functional, and we also have the enhanced fender liner clearance pieces in there now. It looks really good, making no more noise under full lock. And yeah, that's gonna be it, you guys. So if you're interested in any of the parts in this video, I'll have them linked down below. See you in the next one.